My name is Mohammed Efufane II. I'm from Liberia. I'm studying at the KFTV school doing filmmaking and video production. What made me apply for scholarship at the KFTV filmmaking and video production is because I don't have such school in my country. And when I read about the school online, and I think that they are the best school in filmmaking and video production in Kigali. Yes. And the next thing is I chose video production and filmmaking because I love it and I'm a content creator. I want to come up with the best video shooting in terms of producing the rightful video, getting that rightful content for the viewers, other things. The time I spent in KFTV, it is really unique because they are teaching the rightful material and they have the best instructor wherein the student will learn better and they will be able to achieve what they have learned. And after this, upon my graduate, I think I will go back to my country and begin to teach other people and start where I stopped in my content creating to push forth for better filmmaking and video production.